Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and right here I have the cute Cuby cat or dog carrier. This thing is so cute. It is a nice jersey material. It is reversible. You have the nice checkered pattern inside. I like the fact that this just goes right over your shoulder. It's not big and bulky. You're able to put your pet inside. It does have this nice little collar clip that you're able to attach your dog right to the collar, so you know that he's not going to jump outside and he's a little more secure to you. You have a nice pocket in the front. You're able to put your phone, your iPod, poop bags, whatever you want to carry extra on you. It's convenient and right there. It does have snaps too, so you can snap up your dog inside so he's a little more secure. I like the fact that I can bring this even in the winter time. I go pick up my daughter from school and I can snuggle my dog in a blanket inside of it and he's nice and cozy beside me. I do this sometimes when I'm doing chores in the house. My smallest dog just likes to be right near me and he loves the fact that he can see everything that I can see. It's super cute and convenient. It's something that I love to use every day, especially when you have pets. That's just my point of view.